all the things associated with lower quality neighborhoods, right? Your Section 8, high risk tenants, crime, older properties, right? Lower appreciation, all of those issues, right? They're going to be there. And if you overpay, that's not going to work, right? So this is a solid B grade investment. You're going to get a B quality tenant paying B quality rent. All right, y'all, we got a nice one for you in a B grade neighborhood, okay? 542 Georgetown, Elyria, right? Coming to you at 249. And this is what I really want to focus on today with this show, with this property, is discuss with you guys B grade neighborhood, right? You got, people talk about, when we're talking real estate investing, it's especially important for out of state investors, right? People are talking about A grade neighborhood, B, C, D, F, right? And I think what I see the majority of investors losing money, it's not because they invested in a certain type of neighborhood. It's because they thought they were investing in a certain type of neighborhood, but they actually invested in another, right? Like, you can make money investing in C grade neighborhoods. You can make money investing in D grade neighborhoods. You can make money investing in B grade neighborhoods. What you usually can't make money doing is paying a B grade price when you're actually investing in like a C grade neighborhood. And this is a prime example of what a B grade neighborhood is going to look like, right? When you guys are buying properties, if the neighborhood isn't looking like this, the houses aren't up to this standard, and the price points aren't in this general range, despite whatever the person selling you the property is telling you, is you aren't actually buying in a B grade neighborhood. You're not going to get B grade rents, and you're definitely not going to get B quality tenants, right? All the things associated with lower quality neighborhoods, right? Your Section 8, high risk tenants, crime, older properties, right? Lower appreciation, all of those issues, right? They're going to be there. And if you overpay, that's not going to work, right? So this is a solid B grade investment. You're going to get a B quality tenant paying B quality rent. When you're doing your tenant screening, things of that nature, you're going to get people, probably dual incomes, no criminal history, no evictions, no foreclosures, solid job history, things of that nature. And they're probably going to stay in the property for a while, okay? And they're not going to fuck it all up. You're not going to end up on the Tenants from Hell show, most likely, right? So this is what solid, safe, and stable B grade investing looks like. If that makes sense to you and you're interested in making an offer, shoot my team an email, sales@HoltonWise.com. If you are local and you want to tour the property, let us know. We will get you into the property. As you see, there's a bunch of boxes and stuff, right? You probably noticed all that. That is not a tenant. That is the owner, right? It's another key. It's another clue that you're in a B grade neighborhood, not a C or a D grade neighborhood disguised as a B grade neighborhood. You actually have the owner of the property as the one who's been living here for the last decade or so, okay? It's not like a revolving door of tenants moving in and out, okay? This is the actual owner. He'll be moving out. So that's another thing, right? Your B grade neighborhoods, your higher quality neighborhoods are going to have a much higher population of actual owner occupants in the property itself, okay? So we got a safe, solid investment. The owner's moving out, so let us know. We'll get you in there, okay? We'll have to coordinate it with him, obviously, because, he's living there. You can't just show up or anything, but we'll be able to work all that out, get you set up, get you in there. Or for the out-of-state investors out there who can't physically tour it, I want you to stick around right after I'm done talking. My team, we're going to show you all the uncensored footage that we've been clipping for you here. Take a look at all that now, and then after that, if you're ready to make that offer, just send it to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. We'll get you a safe, stable, solid investment property.
Here at 542 Georgetown. Nice Rexon. Yeah, I don't want to walk through the snow.
Yeah. Nobody wants to walk through the snow.
Nice street. I was trying to get a shot without glare in it. Matt, nice to meet you. Looks good.
I'm trying to get shit packed up that does not need to be here. Of hers. Once our shit's gone, it's gone. And my stuff, I'm trying to get packed up.
Oh, it's kind of icy, but nice yard, tree, garage.
I'll walk behind him, jump over the ledge if you need me to.
I'll get the key for the garage door.
Okay, we can hit that one last if you want. We can just hit it with
Well,
Yeah, so I was gonna do the backyard and the garage. as that
So
came
I'll
out.
get the key and get you in there.
Cool.
Take a picture.
Are you cool with doing that while we're inside and doing that? Because once it's open, we can just finish with that and we'll be good.
Yeah.
Come on in.
There you go.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Cool.
Okay. There's no island in this kitchen, so I had to buy something to put in.
I got a table similar to that too. That
Yeah.
actually works as a good.
The dishwasher.
I'll get out of here.
Stove. Yeah. Sorry, guys.
There you go. And then this will only take.
Yeah, it doesn't take long. It's mostly just.
This whole dining room, this is about the biggest it got. And I tried to make it work with the kind of China hutch in here.
Yeah.
It don't work.
Yeah, it kind of blocks the kitchen.
No, it just, I had to China hutch over there on that wall where you put a table at.
Yeah, right. It takes away from the middle.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I just put it over here and it's
It's a big
still,
one too.
well, you know how
Living
wives
room.
are.
Oh yeah. Yeah, my mom's got two of them.
And
She's telling me, I'm like,
I always told her, it's like, we don't need this stuff. We don't need that, don't need this, don't need this. It's just me and you. Well, what am I gonna put my china in? I can get something small.
You can get like a different storage
And-
area for it.
Is the electric box and everything in the
Yeah,
sub basement here?
Go ahead, go down. Okay, the electrical box is in the corner
I
over
see
here.
over there.
This is a nice little split level, man.
Nice wood burner.
Back over here. Yeah, I'll just kind of stick behind you real quick.
Pretty spacious. Oh, perfect. Yep, you got it open for me.
Yeah, the furnace is right here too.
Nice. Perfect.
Now my whole problem was I couldn't get something fixed in here because I'm not an electrical guy.
Gotcha. Excuse
Me neither.
So the one switch in here for the light, it don't work because it's on the breaker.
Oh, okay, I gotcha.
So hot water tanks are on the corner.
Yep, that's okay. Oh. That's okay, I can get around.
Now, as far as I know, all this stuff is new
Yeah, it's definitely newer looking for sure.
as of when I got the house back in 2020. Because it's 4 years old for me.
I got you. Okay.
The AC is brand new.
I saw that out there, yeah.
So,
So it's central there, right? Central there.
yep.
Yep.
Nice. I think we'll go down here?
Yep. You just got to do the bedrooms upstairs, and we'll be out of his hair.
Cool.
Well, in the
Get the
bathroom.
garage.
Yep. Bathroom.
The one upstairs room here
Tile.
to the right. Closest one to us. That's a very small room. For the kids.
Attached to the master.
Yeah. The fountain has access to the crawl space upstairs.
Oh, is it
In the
like
closet.
Oh, that might be.
Master bedroom. Bedroom.
The family that lived here, they had 2 kids. The little girl that slept out here. So this is the baby's room. The master bedroom over there.
Is
Yep.
it a 4-bedroom?
3.
3.
3? Okay. Well, is the bathroom? I gotcha.
Yeah, bathroom's connected to the master.
Cool, cool. The crawl space, I don't know if we're really gonna do anything with it, but it's in this closet.
Oh, okay.
So,
Just.
If somebody wants a nano, they gotta put it there.
so it's basically like 90% fenced.
Yep. All right.
That's good. I mean, if anyone wants it to be fenced in, they don't gotta do much, you know?
Yep.
I think we should be good then.
Yeah. Interior portion, I'm done. Just.
We'll do the backyard, and if you just want to pop the garage open, we'll just show the dimensions of it and stuff, and we'll be cool.
Yeah, hold that for a second. I'm gonna get my coat up.
Yeah. It do be cold out there.
All right.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Repaint the kitchen.
Yeah, I like these split levels, man.
I like it too until I start having problems with my knees.
Yeah.
Getting up and down the stairs.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good time to get slashed, you know?
My mom up there, it was just
Sliding door.
I didn't really have any issues with it. So I never used the dark person. So
Alright.
I didn't really have it clean. So it is whatever it was.
Hit up the garage and we're good.
I think there's a little area behind the rear.
It's fine. It's a big ass backyard.
Yeah, and he said this is fully enclosed. Everything's
Yeah, you can see the whole thing from the end of the
Oh,
deck.
I don't know. I like split levels, personally. I like this. The layout's a little different. We don't have to better.
They usually have like an open floor plan on the first floor, which is nice.
They say it's a 2-car garage. I
Yeah.
look at it more like a truck and a half.
Yep.
Yep. And then it's
Yeah,
got
some cars nowadays are like getting bigger than.
I was able to fit my boat in here inside to fit the boat in here
Yeah, it looks like it's got
with
good
plenty
dimensions.
of room from the back to the front. So, and you still be able to put your car in over here.
Right. Yeah, you can put your car and still have a lot of extra room too.
Put your boat on this side so you'll be able to pull your car straight in.
Right in, yeah. Pull it out when you need it.
Yep.
All right.
That breaker worked for everything out here.
Yeah, that's right. That's why I filmed this one. I figured this was on its own.
Now, her fence leans towards her yard only because when they built the house, they put the gravel overflowed right next to her fence, which pushed her
Pushed
fence.
it over, yeah.
And she wants to get a new fence up there, and she just moved the new fence. The next person that's going to get the house, that's going to be their issue to deal with.
Yeah, it's nothing like stuff too.
Right.
That's probably springtime, summertime type deal.
She's got a new fence over here
And I see it's almost completed.
that I took down by accident, thinking it was mine. And it was so brittle, it just shredded my hair. So I took it down, not knowing that it was actually hers. So I'm in the process of finishing up. I still got 20 boards I gotta do, and it's done.
Yeah. Looks good.
This is a nice looking fence over there.
That fence that's back here, they had Doberman Shepherds here. And German Shepherds that just tore the grass up near the fence, doing corners. So pretty much they had to just throw shit in there to build homes.
cutting topsoil and stuff like that.
No, just other whole fence
Oh,
to
okay.
patch them up.
I got you.
Just like this one over here.
Yeah.
The dog got to it.
Oh, they were looking at
Yeah, we'll just looking shit up.
Beats is cold. Yeah. He's looking. All right. That'll do it for this one. Cistern.
Yeah, it looks like a machine.
Yeah.
I was in the middle of chapter.
I wonder if you can see the roof. It's covered in snow. No idea. Maybe from the front. I like these lights. Sometimes I forget I'm filming a sales video. You guys have to cut that. 542. Nice quiet street. So nice. Looks like he's in the process of painting the shutters. They were purple. Can you see the? Nah, that does look newer. A few shingles I can see. Alright, that'll do it for 5-4.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.